Welcome to another exciting episode where you explore affordable tiny homes that won't break the bank. If you've ever considered living in a container home, today we're diving into the best options you can buy for under $19,000 from Amazon. We'll also discuss the advantages and disadvantages of these portable and expandable container houses. Let's get started. It's Top Financial Advice, the channel where you will explore the smartest and most financially savvy ways to live your best life. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of tiny homes, specifically container homes that won't blow your budget. Please subscribe to my channel. If you've ever dreamed of owning a home without the soul-crushing weight of a 30-year mortgage, you are in the right place. We're talking about 7 incredible container homes, all priced under $19,000. We'll break down the cost, features, and even talk about the pros and cons of each option. So buckle up, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get started. Alright, first up we have a serious contender for those who value portability and affordability. This bad boy is called the Portable Foldable House, and let me tell you, it lives up to its name. This thing is like the Swiss Army knife of tiny homes. It folds up for easy transport and expands to create a surprisingly spacious living area. I'm talking about a modern design that's perfect for construction sites, emergency shelters, or even just temporary housing while you're building your dream home. And the best part? It comes in at just $4,000. That's less than the cost of a used Honda Civic. For $4,000, you get a durable steel frame, insulated walls, and a roof that can withstand even the harshest weather conditions. Now I know what you're thinking, David, is this thing even legal? And the answer is, well, it depends. Zoning laws vary from place to place, so it's always a good idea to check with your local regulations before you go parking your new tiny home in your grandma's backyard. But for $4,000, you could literally buy this thing outright, own it free and clear, and have no housing payment for life. That's the kind of financial freedom I'm all about. Next up, we're heading over to China for this next option. Don't worry, you won't have to learn Mandarin to put this one together. The material's good price. China Easy Assembled Portable Expandable Cargo Folding Container House is a mouthful to say, but it's even better to live in. This baby is priced at just $5,200, which is an absolute steal. And the easy assembled part in the name? They're not kidding. This thing uses a modular design that snaps together like a giant Lego set. We're talking about durable steel construction, weather-resistant coating, and plenty of windows to let in that natural light. Plus, it's expandable, so you can add on extra rooms or even a second story if you're feeling ambitious. Now you might be wondering about shipping costs from China, and that's a valid concern. But even with shipping, this option is still significantly cheaper than buying a traditional home. Plus, you get the added benefit of supporting a global economy. It's a win-win! Let's step it up a notch with this next option, the double-story prefab house, expandable container, tiny house. At $19,200, it's at the top end of our budget, but for good reason. This is a 2-level tiny home that doesn't skimp on space or features. We're talking a dedicated bedroom, a full bathroom, and a kitchen that would make any aspiring chef jealous. This is basically a full-sized house crammed into a container-sized package. And because it's prefabricated, you can have it delivered and assembled on your site in a matter of days. Talk about instant gratification. Now, I know what you're thinking. David, $19,200 is starting to sound a lot like a down payment on a real house, and you wouldn't be wrong. But remember, this is an investment that appreciates in value. Plus, you'll save a fortune on property taxes, utilities, and all those other hidden costs of homeownership. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but instead of cake, it's a stylish and affordable container home. For those of you who thought tiny homes meant sacrificing luxury, think again. This next option, the Container Tiny Home, Luxury Foldable 3-bedroom tiny house, is here to prove you wrong. Coming in at $12,795, this home is all about customizable comfort. That's right, you get 3 bedrooms, all in a foldable, waterproof container home. It even comes with a fully equipped kitchen and bathroom because nobody wants to rough it in the 21st century. And the best part is, this home is designed with sustainability in mind. It uses eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient appliances, so you can live your best life while minimizing your carbon footprint. Now, I know what you're thinking, David, this sounds amazing, but what about space? And that's a valid concern. Tiny home living is all about downsizing and simplifying, but with this option, you get the best of both worlds, a spacious and luxurious home that's also affordable and sustainable. It's like living in a 5-star hotel, but without the hefty price tag. Calling all adventurers and digital nomads, this next option is for you. The tiny container house, foldable house, prefab mobile cabin is perfect for those who crave the open road or just want a cozy weekend getaway spot. At $8,555, it's an absolute steal, especially considering the flexibility it offers. This bad boy comes in a variety of sizes, so you can choose the perfect fit for your needs. Want a tiny home office? No problem. Need a mobile vacation home? They've got you covered. And because it's foldable and prefabricated, you can literally take it anywhere. Imagine setting up camp in the middle of the desert, surrounded by nothing but breathtaking views and the sound of silence. Or how about parking it on a beachfront property and waking up to the sound of waves crashing against the shore? The possibilities are endless. Now, for those of you who need a little more space, maybe you have a family or just like to spread out, the 2-story container house prefabricated tiny home is the perfect solution. At $18,999, it's another option that pushes the upper limit of our budget. But trust me, this one is worth every penny. This spacious 2-story container home is basically a mansion in disguise. You get 2 levels of living space, which means you can finally have that dedicated home office you've always dreamed of. Or maybe a playroom for the kids. And because it's prefabricated, it can be assembled on your site in a matter of days. Talk about instant gratification. Now I know what you're thinking, David, $18,999 is a lot of money. And you wouldn't be wrong, but remember, this is an investment in your future. With a little creativity and DIY spirit, you can customize this container home to your exact specifications and create a space that truly reflects your personal style. Last but not least, we have the Luxury Prefab House Tiny Home with full equipped bathroom and kitchen. This beauty is priced at $9,800 and is perfect for those who refuse to compromise on style or comfort. We're talking sleek, modern design, high-end finishes, and all the amenities you need to live your best life. The fully equipped kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and plenty of storage space. The bathroom is equally impressive with a spa-like shower, modern fixtures, and a luxurious feel. And because it's prefabricated, it can be delivered and assembled on your site in a snap. This is basically a turnkey solution for anyone looking to downsize without sacrificing luxury. Imagine waking up in your stylish container home, sipping your morning coffee on your private deck, and enjoying the peace and quiet of your minimalist lifestyle. It's the perfect blend of comfort, affordability, and sustainability. So there you have it, folks. 7 incredible container homes, all priced under $19,000. Whether you're looking to downsize, simplify your life, or just want a cool and affordable place to call home, container homes are a fantastic option. Remember, these are just a few examples of what's out there. With a little research and creativity, you can find the perfect container home to fit your budget and your lifestyle. And don't forget to factor in the cost of land, permits, and any customization you might want to do. But even with those added expenses, container homes are still one of the most affordable housing options available today. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream container home today. And be sure to let me know in the comments which one of these homes caught your eye. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and I'll see you in the next one.